Imagine a mammoth of the sky, a titan among the clouds, a flying fortress that weighs more than 80 blue whales combined. That's the Airbus A380 for you, the world's largest passenger airliner. It's a marvel of aviation engineering that has left an indelible mark on the history of flight. And today we'll be tracing the trajectory of this sky giant. The genesis of the A380 lies in the early 90s when Airbus, the European multinational aerospace corporation, began exploring the concept of an ultra-high-capacity airliner, both to challenge the dominance of Boeing 747 and to meet market predictions for escalating passenger numbers. Fast forward to December 1990, when Airbus officially launched the A3XX project, the codename for what would eventually become the A380. The goal was clear: to create an aircraft that could carry more passengers, fly further, and offer more comfort than any other airplane in the skies. After years of design, testing, and development, the A380 made its first public appearance in January 2005. It was an event that captured the world's attention like few others in aviation history. The A380 was not just another airplane, it was a symbol of ambition and technological prowess. The maiden flight of the A380 took place on April 27, 2005, from Toulouse in France. With its 4 mighty engines roaring, the A380 took to the skies, marking a new era in commercial aviation. The A380 began commercial service in October 2007 with Singapore Airlines. It was a luxurious affair with private suites, double beds, and even a bar. The A380 wasn't just an airplane, it was a flying palace. Despite its grandeur and technological advancement, the A380 faced several challenges. From production delays to economic downturns, from rising fuel prices to changing market dynamics, the A380 navigated through turbulent skies. However, in February 2019, Airbus announced the end of the A380 production line. The decision was driven by shifting market trends, with airlines favoring smaller, fuel-efficient aircraft over the giant A380. The last A380 rolled off the assembly line in 2021, marking the end of an era. In summary, the A380's journey from conception to retirement spans over 3 decades. It was a symbol of ambition, an epitome of technological advancement, and a testament to human ingenuity. It challenged the established norms, redefined luxury in the skies, and pushed the boundaries of what was possible in aviation. The Airbus A380 remains a remarkable chapter in the annals of aviation history, a testament to our relentless pursuit of the skies. Even though its production has ceased, the A380 continues to inspire, reminding us that the sky is not the limit, but just the beginning.